Okay, hi everyone, my name is Arvin. Actually, my background is a civil engineer and actually currently working on construction line and also I'm a licensed drone operator from RCoCB. So today from HiiLSE Drone, they bring up a wonderful industrial drone, which is it's the first time I'm handling industrial drone with a big scale. And I had a lot of knowledge and gained some technical part from the seniors, so they today thought about the structure, and especially in this special drone is more on the it's a washing type, similar like agriculture, but more technical into washing style. And all the technical part is amazing, and the structure is awesome. And I'm excited to make it for more futuristics on upcoming from the HiiLSE Drone screening concept, and also the technical part, futures R&D on this part. And I'm proud to be a part of a member of HiiLSE Drone. Thank you very much. Okay, so after basic trainings for today, I learned a lot of stuff, and I'm really excited to fly outside. And we're ready, and let's go to the field.